say if you're using different vehicles, is it just the first vehicle you use that you say the dua? Say if you're traveling by car and then you're going to park the car, then you're going to...
No, ikhwan. So you travel by car and then in the car gone something wrong with it. RAC brought me another car. No, it's the same journey, ikhwani. Same journey. Okay? Right. I'll give you a good example so you understand. You are making an udhiyah. This is your udhiyah, the sheep. You said Bismillah and your knife is in your hand. Wife, this knife is no good. Bring me another one. Give me another one. Bismillah. Oh, this knife doesn't look like good. Give me the third one. Bismillah. No, Bismillah is only one. It's on what? On the udhiyah itself. Regardless of how many knives you bought. So your dhikr for the safar is for the journey, regardless of the transport that you're doing. Okay, you changed the car and the car. It's for the journey. Because you're doing that journey. So regardless whether this car had gone down or not gone down. Same thing here. When you say Bismillah, it's not on the knife, ya ikhwani. Bismillah is on the what? On the animal I'm going to slaughter. Not on the knife. I could change knife. But look here. If I said Bismillah on this udhiyah, and as I looked, before I slaughtered it, there is another sheep which is fattier, mashallah, better than this. You leave this one, you go to the other one, you're going to say Bismillah, onto the other one. So it's not on the knife. Okay? Whereas if you are hunting, your Bismillah is on the weapon itself. Or the dog that you send. This is from the blessings of Allah, ya ikhwani. If you're a hunter, well, I used to go with my uncle hunting birds. He used to teach me how to, shoot birds and so when you say Bismillah, it's on the weapon. It's not on the prey that you are killing. And that's from the blessings of Allah. Do you know why? If it was on the prey, you could be shooting, but you didn't know that there is about 6-7 birds behind it, and you killed them with that shot. So if it's only on that, it's only the one I've seen? No, everything that my bullet had got, let's say crossed eyes, said Bismillah onto that chicken, I went to that rabbit. That rabbit's still halal. Because my Bismillah is on the weapon, it's not on the rabbit or the chicken that I have been. Okay. And that's one of the blessings of Allah. Fiqh. Now.